So, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about the separation of mixtures, which today we're going to separate a solid mixture and a liquid mixture. So the first thing, you need to have all the equipment. So we'll have here the retort stand, the funnel, the beaker. There's another beaker which has water, sand, and then you may need an extra beaker. We have filter paper, we have even the last thing we have the spatula. So we're going to take first our filter paper, then fold it in half. After folding it in half, then you take the filter paper, then you actually fold it again in half, making it look like a cone shape. So after taking that, you take the filter paper on the other side, on the two sides which are aligning, you remove them and separate them, which creates a small hole at the middle. Then after doing this, you take your filter paper, then place it on the funnel like that. After placing it there, we'll take the sand and then mix it with the water. You might need to add more scoops if you want this to actually look as if the water and the sand have been mixed. If you have seen this process, the thing you might want to do, you might want to reduce the water or add more sand on it. So just a bit more sand. After doing that, we'll take our mixture now, then place it on the filter paper which is on the funnel. We'll add this. You might want to stir it. You can actually use the spatula, or you might even use your own hands. So here we have a mixture of sand and water, and the water has actually been dirtified. But as you come to this part, you will actually see that the water here is clear and transparent. You can actually see through it more than the water that you have already mixed. So this is the solution that you get after doing the process. And then we also have the residue. This is the sand on the filter paper which has remained on the sides of the filter paper, and the filter paper actually helps in separation of the sand and the water. We'll actually use a funnel, or you can actually use something that can allow water to pass through. So this experiment of filtration, you can actually do it at home as a home activity. You may take a water bottle at 300 ml or the size you actually want. You cut the bottle in half, not all through, but you cut a bit of the bottle. Then you'll need small stones, charcoal, sand, a piece of cloth, cotton, or anything that you will place on the bottom. Then you'll break the charcoal in small pieces, add it with the sand. You might actually, if you want, you can add ash on it. Then you'll take your solution, the one that you have created, then pour it on the bottle. That one is now the filtration that you are doing. So after doing that, you'll see the solution coming out like this. The water will be clear, but it will not be safe to drink. If it's optional, you might actually take the water and boil it at a high temperature or low temperature, the temperature that you prefer. So this process, as I said, is called filtration. We have the solution here and we have the residue or the filter paper. So if you want, you can do this as a home activity or as a project. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like.